Ryan Brown from J. Ryan Brown Law. We are going to talk about what one of the most common defenses to an aggravated assault is in Carrollton and Noonan, Georgia. So, aggravated assault is probably the most common felony crime that we see overall because it encapsulates a lot of different activities and actions. A lot of people, when they hear a certain crime, they think, oh, that sounds like an attempted murder, but a lot of times it's probably just an aggravated assault, or at least that's how the prosecutors have charged it. So one of the most common defenses is a self-defense case, right? Oftentimes an aggravated assault is preceded by some sort of disagreement between two parties and or more. And sometimes the officers get it wrong, right? They work hard, they try hard to make the right decisions, but if they're making an arrest immediately after an incident, they may not have all of the information. So if it is a self-defense type of thing, where maybe someone pulled a gun and then someone fired back at them defending themselves, we will file what is called an immunity motion. So as the defense, we will file the immunity motion and request a hearing on that. That hearing is one of the few times where the defense has to prove something. And what the goal of the defense there is to prove to the court, to the judge, by a preponderance of the evidence, so 51%, if you will, more likely than not, that our client was defending themselves. And if they were defending themselves, the court will issue an order granting immunity. And what that means is that our client is immune from prosecution. They cannot be prosecuted for this crime because they have the right to defend themselves, and that's what they were doing. This is a common way to defend self-defense cases. We've done a number of them and have, when the evidence is right and it's a true self-defense cases, the courts in Georgia are receptive to them because we do have the right to defend ourselves. And that is one of the most common defenses to an aggravated assault is a self-defense case through an immunity motion.